I'm Mike Proctor with Leading Edge Financial Planning. Today, I'm going to talk about how you can buy a little bit more happiness. Today, I want to share a few thoughts about an easy way to get more satisfaction out of life. One of the easiest ways to do that is if you're willing to spend a little bit of money to have either your lawn mowed or your laundry outsourced, maybe your house cleaned, or any other activity around the house that you don't particularly enjoy doing, pay a little bit of money to get it outsourced. Whether you're on the high end of the financial spectrum or even on the lower end, if there's something that you're currently doing and you're not spending that time with your family, you're not spending that time doing the things you want to do, maybe your hobbies, if you hunt, fish, cycle, run, work out, whatever those activities that fill your cup are doing, you got to make room and time for it. In the article Jeff Hayden wrote with Inc. magazine, it references across the spectrum that the science shows if you're willing to spend just a little bit on those activities you don't particularly enjoy doing, it actually buys you quite a bit of satisfaction back. The wonderful thing about financial planning is it's easy to find out how you're doing on your financial trajectory and how you're balancing your finances of today with the future. Now, one of those things that you got to keep in mind is once we're gone, and we're talking about from here until then, we don't know when then is, but once you're done, all the chips go back in the box, game over. So if you have a whole lot of extra chips on the table, it doesn't really do you any good. But while you're here, if you can spend a few bucks to outsource those areas that you don't really enjoy, so you can have more time to spend on the things you do enjoy, it's a win-win. A quick example is, I don't personally like doing laundry all that much. It doesn't add value to my life. So my friend Ben over at East Ridge Cleaners, I actually have them pick up my laundry, wash it, fold it, and they bring it back to me. So all I got to do when I get home is hand it out to the kids. They go put it away in their drawers. I put mine away, hang it up, and we're good to go. That's how I do laundry now. But it's absolutely worth it to me to go ahead and spend a little bit of money each month. So I no longer have to worry about moving stuff from the washer to the dryer. I don't have to worry about getting foldy, getting moldy, none of that stuff. I don't worry about it anymore. But it's great because I drop it off, I pick it up, I put it away, and that part of my life is done. I don't have to worry about mismatched socks. They do it for me. So that's an area that I've experienced wonderful outsourcing satisfaction, is getting that piece off my plate so I can spend it with my kids. We can have fun together and I can focus more on the things that I want to focus on in life. I'm Mike Proctor with Leading Edge Financial Planning, helping you to make wise financial decisions with your money and with your time to help you maximize satisfaction.